a successful financial professional. I practice proper risk management.
I practice proper risk management, right?
I am a professional trader.
I am a
I
professional
will not engage in
trader.
gambling my money in the
I will
market.
not gamble my money. I'm trading the blues.
I always
I'm going
manage
up.
my risk, so do not need to
I
get emotional.
already defined my risk, so I know what I'm capable
I am
of.
happy to take profit when it is offered to me.
I will take profit when it's offered to me. I
My
just want to
risk
show
is
you
always defined, and my losses are always limited.
my losses are very small, but my
Profits
wins
and
are
losses do
very
not
good.
affect my emotions.
Okay, so
I am patient
as
and
I'm
wait
just
for
listening to
better
this
trading
play,
opportunities.
I'm thinking this is the bounce off
I
of
am unemotional
the
about my
yellow,
trades. I
and
have an edge,
I
and I
think
trade it effectively and decisively.
this is the move after the yellow. It goes up.
One trade,
You can look
one
on
win
the
as a
Ringo
trader.
chart, and you can see it's pullback.
I
And
am
then if this
experienced
keeps
in
going,
stochastic
you're gonna
success.
get your green. Then it's gonna be a solid one, and then it's gonna
I
keep
am
going.
a successful trader.
And that's why I am a successful trader.
My mind is highly focused on success.
I'm highly focused on success. I'm highly focused on taking these blues up
I
to the
am
orange
a
line.
consistent winning trader.
I consistently win on these
I
second
am
moves.
dedicated to being disciplined in the financial markets.
I'm so dedicated to this and
I
to these
believe in
markets.
myself completely. I am always relaxed and thinking clearly when I formulate new trade ideas.
I'm always relaxed.
I am highly disciplined and purposeful. I always use proper risk management.
I always use proper risk management.
My mind can consistently formulate successful trading
So I got
ideas.
32. I'm about to just go ahead and close these out.
I believe in my own abilities. Every day I get better at what I
33.
do.
All right. I will take it again, but
Trader.
this is just
Seriously.
take my profits,
I
and
have a
sometimes you
fine
just gotta
tuning
go.
sense for knowing when and where to invest.
Because I had
I am happy to take calculated risks. I am able to be extremely patient.
29 pips on that one, 30
I
pips
do
on that
not
one,
trade unless I know there is a high probability of success.
and then the last one I took was it was up 5 pips.
I am constantly improving
I
my
took it on this
stock,
one.
Forex, and
I ended up getting out just
trading knowledge.
I don't know. I panicked, but it's no problem. We're still
My
looking
mind
at this
is
trade.
highly focused and totally in tune with the markets.
So that's what I do.
adapt easily to new trends.
And I'm not gonna sit there and continue
I
to
always
trade,
keep a positive attitude, no matter what happens.
right? Because if I miss something, there's tons of trades. There's gonna be
I
another
never get
entry.
stressed because I manage risk.
Exactly. I'm not stressed about what I'm doing next. So
My life is a success and I am constantly improving. I make huge amounts of money in the financial markets. I am wealthy. I always take the time to do proper research. I maintain sound judgment at all times. Success in the stock market is my reality. I enjoy researching things that affect price movements.
I enjoy searching things that it.
Making accurate forecasts is becoming easier and easier. I live and breathe the stock market.
I want to trade the Dow.
I love Forex trading.
I want to trade the Dow. I mean, this hit here could be the orange line bounce, and then you have the yellow on the 5 with the blue. So this does look like it could go up.
I continue to press towards my goals regardless of setbacks.
This is like a second move. And then the yellows too. Boom, boom. This is a second move off the yellow.
My life is abundant.
So my life is very abundant.
Making money in the stock market is just a normal part of my life.
Making money in the stock market is a normal part of my life. That's why I'm so calm, I'm focused, and I'm dedicated to the craft.
Money will follow my mindset.
Money will follow my mindset.